The first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the start menu, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, launch the game once again and see if it has worked for you. If not, second solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to search bar, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics card if it's not updated, and after that hopefully the game will launch and you can play it. Nvidia and AMD users can easily go through the link that I have provided in the description and update their graphics card and then try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then go to the browse option. This will take you to the game folder. Select your game, right click on it, click on properties, compatibility, and here click on run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply and OK. After this, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 or select Windows 8 and then hit on apply and OK. If not, click on disable full screen optimization, then click on apply and OK. After doing this, try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, the next method is to update Windows. For that, in the Windows search bar, search for Windows Update or simply search for check for updates. So this will take you to the Windows Update page. Here you should check if any update is available. Click on check for updates, and if there is any update, simply update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties and click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the game files, and after that hopefully you can play the game without any further problem. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to search bar, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you need to check for the game if it is listed over here. If not, go to allow another app, then click on browse and then go to the game folder where your game is installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. After that, select your game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and click on OK. So after doing this, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the task manager and under process tab, you need to search for the apps that is of no use or running in the background. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the game or app completely that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and see if this works. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like MSI, Afterburner, Shadowplay or any other, then you should disable it, because this can lead to some unexpected issues while playing the game and you can face problem while playing it. So make sure to disable those overlay applications and then try to launch the game. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library, right click on it, click on properties, under general. Here you need to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and see if this works. If not, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on downloads, and then here you need to click on clear cache option. So this will clear cache, clear the download cache, and after that try to play the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, the link is in description. Just go through the link and from there you can easily download and install the Visual C++ files for your PC. After that, restart your PC and then log in the game and check if it resolves the problem. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add the game. For that, add desktop app, select your game, or go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, now under GPU preference you have to select high performance. So make sure you select this, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's playable or not. If not, final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, uh, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall. So, and again click on uninstall. So this will uninstall the game. After uninstalling, now restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam or wherever your game is. After that, reinstall the game and then try to play and see if it resolves the problem without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.